Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to enter the recovery mode on Vivo X23. To do this you need to press and hold the power button and now tap on power off. Wait until it's power off and now you need to press and hold the power button together with volume up button, like that. As you can see, it shows fast boot mode. You need to now press the volume down to select the recovery mode and confirm by power button. And here we are. And you now can select any option you're interested in. Install update, wipe data, reboot system, power down, system repair mode, advanced options. If you wanna go back, exit this mode, just click reboot system. And that's it. So thanks for watching, click like and subscribe, bye.